Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hairam Mutadin. You can call me Hairer. I am from Banjarmasin and program for Smart City Information System. The processor is a chip that is the main processor and control center for various computer device. There are 5 processor function. Number 1, support computer performance. Number 2, the computer works fine. Number 3, execute the command. Number 4, reset program for RAM. Number 5, connect all internal components. There are 4 types of processor on computer, namely number 1, Intel. Number 2, advanced micro device. Number 3, advanced RISC machine. Number 4, transmitter. Number 5, a file processor. On this occasion, I will make a tutorial on how to install a computer processor. Following steps. Step 1, open the motherboard socket. The next step is to flash the CPU on the motherboard. Next, the motherboard socket key that was flashed by the CPU earlier. Next, put the FASTA on the CPU. Next, install CPU cooling to cool down the processor. How the processor works. There basic things a processor does are: number 1, using ALU to perform mathematical operation. Number 2, move data from one memory location to another. Number 3, make decision and jump to other interaction.